I probably worked over the last 7 to 8 months. I've never worked so hard in my life. I probably pushed over 600,000 this year. And it's probably close to $1 million. With that money, I'm just gonna buy more properties. I'm not gonna take the money and spend it. If you apply yourself in any field and you push and you push and you push and you apply yourself every day, I'm telling you, it'll work. You'll make money. Yo, Pookie,
we're doing that work for you.
You said you were gonna take these tires, they're still there.
I know, bro. I already told Bill.
Yo, yo pensé que tú eras serio.
I am serious, bro.
Yo pensé, I thought he was a serious guy. I thought he was gonna make it happen.
This.
Yo, what the fuck? We're over here on 97 Cedar Hill Ave, and Pookie was supposed to take the tires. They're still there. As you can see, we took the roof off, and the guys are here. Every time I come, these guys are here. Like, they're not doing anything. They just, yo, you guys are supposed to be working.
How you doing? Nice day at work. Feeling good right now. Feeling happy.
Like that.
That's just about it.
Like that.
Working actually makes me very happy, you know? I enjoy working.
So we're gonna clean this out so that we can walk a little bit on this, right? This house is coming along. I can't wait to see this one come up. Albert is renting a house. I think he's paying like $3,000-4,000 a month in a rental unit. We don't want him to do that. Guys, check this out. We're in Belleville. Check out city views. Amazing, amazing. I'm gonna make this window bigger now so they can have city views. Now, instead of charging $2,500, you could charge $3,000 and say, city views from Belleville. What do you guys wanna see? What do you wanna build? What are your goals? What are your dreams? Do you wanna learn this? Do you wanna work with us? Like, whatever. Whatever you wanna do, call me, we'll make it happen. The goal is to help you. Or if you don't want to help yourself, come work with me and then you help me and you learn. Boom!